Today we're gonna talk about the top 10 selling cars on May 2020 during the lockdown in India. This video is gonna very interesting, so watch till the end. If you talk about any car brand like Mahindra, Tata Motors, Maruti or any other brand, there was zero number of sales in the month of April because manufacturing were stopped, sales were stopped, all the dealerships were closed because of the lockdown. So the month of April was zero for every car brand. But month of May was the restart of them. Like factory of Hyundai started, Tata Motors also started its manufacturing, Mahindra also started its plant. So due to all these factors, sales increased. So let's talk about which vehicles achieved the most number of sales. So starting from the 10th, in 10th is the local brand that is Mahindra XUV 300, which achieves good number of sales. In the month of May, it sells around 1257, means 1257 units. So recently XUV 300 got BS6 Apta, in which vehicle will get both petrol and diesel engine, which makes it a strong product in the segment. In terms of feature, it was one of the best product. In global NCAP, it gets highest score in safety ratings, which makes it very convenient product for the Indian car market. When we talk about the feature, it gets 7 airbags, touchscreen system, sunroof, leather upholstery, 17-inch wheels. So 1257 is not a bad number for sales, but in June you will see more number because dealerships will be opened. The car which was in number 9th, that's again one more Indian brand, that is Tata Altroz. Now this vehicle sells 1359, means 1359 units, and this done fantastic number of sales. The number of sales are not so good because delivery of this car was recently started and the functionality of the Altroz factory also started late. Altroz, known for its 5-star ratings in Global NCAP, this is only hatchback in its segment which scores 5 star. As it is a premium hatchback, it gets loaded features in it. Then the car comes in the number 8 is not an Indian brand, that is a Maruti, which is a Maruti Alto. If you see 1 or 2 years ago, Alto was the highest selling car at the time. It achieves great number of sales at that time, but now sales decrease. It means that its sales are 1506. It means 1506 units. Now Alto comes in BS6 so before and no changes was done in it. So in Alto you will get K10 Avatar and you will not get so many features, which is a miss out. The next car we're gonna talk about is the number 7th, that is again a Maruti, which is Maruti Baleno. This vehicle gets 1587 units of sales in the month of May. Baleno is not available in the diesel option, you will get only petrol option, which is 1.2 liter petrol engine, and it comes with a mild hybrid technology, and you will get option of CVT transmission. That's a good number for Maruti Baleno. All the plants are not started completely, so it will take some time to come to top level for the Maruti Baleno. Then come to the next car, which is the 6th number, which is Kia Seltos. Seltos was the first car of Kia in India and it was wonder for the company. Recently Kia Seltos gets an update in terms of features, which means so many extra features were added, like 50 features of connected car on the UVO technology. Kia Seltos sells around 1611 units, which means 1611 units in the month of May. Let's move towards the number 5th. The 5th number is the Maruti Eco. This vehicle achieves 1617, means 1617 units of sales, which is decent, and maybe it achieve more number according to its timeline. The next vehicle in the list or the top 4 is the Mahindra Bolero. It sells around 1715, means 1715 units total. Sales number of Bolero was great across timeline. It was one of the best selling car. From this Mahindra just moving forward, and Bolero was one of the best product of Mahindra. Hopefully numbers will be increased soon. Bolero recently gets an update of BS6 and it gets upgraded engine by which it was more powerful and some extra features were added. We have already done a detailed video on Mahindra Bolero. You can watch it for more information. In number 3, The Maruti Dzire. Now, the diesel engine also stopped in Maruti Dzire. This vehicle sells around 2215 units, means 2215 units. It comes with 1.2-liter petrol with 5-speed manual and 5-speed AMT transmission. Dzire recently gets an update which are minor like facelift, in which engine power was increased and look of the grille was changed. In this vehicle you will get 2 airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking camera, reverse parking sensors and seat belt warning. This vehicle remains the best selling car in the segment of compact sedan. At second number, it's the car of Maruti, surprisingly, which is Ertiga. If you notice, the diesel engine also stopped in Ertiga, you will get only 1.5-liter petrol. There is 4-speed automatic and 5-speed manual transmission, and one CNG option is also available. No such changes are done in the price point, and BS6 also available in the Maruti Ertiga. It sells around 2353 units, which means 2353 units, which is decent enough. Now, the car comes in the top, not so surprising, that is Hyundai Creta, which was launched recently and immediately after its launch lockdown was started. And that was big drop for Creta. Creta doesn't get any update, it was totally changed to a new vehicle and it was amazing in terms of price, styling, features and specifications. If we talk about the number of sales it achieves, that is 3212 units, which is a lot. One car that crosses 3000, which is Creta. As an overall, it's a good choice for those who are looking for SUV between 14 to 20 lakhs and Creta was best choice for them. So these are the top 10 cars which achieve lot of sales in the month of May. Which car do you like? The comment section is always open, mention it there. If you like this video, all you have to do is press the like button and subscribe button.